So, what's up guys? So, welcome to my channel. Kung bago pa lang kayo na sa aking channel, please don't forget to subscribe and click the bell button para sa update na ating mga videos. So, before we start with our topic for today, tingnan muna natin ating market update for April 23, 2020. So, as of April 23, 2020, ating Philippine Stock Index, Exchange Index ay nag-stop na ngayon ng 5,599.55 para sa PSE Index nating for April 23. So makita naman natin para sa business world. Sa business world, so how PSEi member stock perform April 23, 2020. So makikita natin. So karamihan ay maganda ang ating nasa green tulad ng AGI, Bloom, DMC Holdings. So makita natin na maganda ang performance ngayon ng DMC, FGen, so ACI Corp, medyo pula sila ngayon, and Aboitiz, AP, and BDO. So makikita natin mas marami ang green kaysa sa ating red. Ibig sabihin mas maraming maganda ang performance ngayon ng ating sa Philippine Stock Exchange. At para naman sa vantage point ng ating PIL equity, so sa market outlook, basahin lang natin. So market outlook nila is cautious sa sectors overweight stocks with significant share buybacks or catalysts. So for technicals naman, support at 5,400 followed by 4,800. Resistance at 5,700 followed by 6,000. So as people continue to grapple with the rising human toll of COVID-19, any glimmer of hope is a welcome sign for investors. After the Fed's bazooka, investors were greeted with news that Gilead may have found a cure to COVID-19. Though testing is far from complete, this was enough to send the Dow Jones Index up more than 700 points last Friday. So while Gilead's drug is still in a very preliminary testing stage, we believe that news of an effective vaccine will be a significant catalyst for market. So yun lang natin, ini-expect natin na gumanda na or magkaroon na tayo ng vaccine para sa ating COVID-19. So on the bright side, it seems the lockdown are working and the epidemic curve in many countries is flattening. However, we have to be wary of new epidemic cluster in Russia, Africa, Singapore, and other countries. The lifting of lockdowns has to be closely watched as well. So as resurgence in cases post-lockdown will be a big dampener for the economy and the capital markets. In the Philippines, the ECQ continues with the extension contingent on the data gathered during this period of mass testing. There are some reports of non-compliance with the ECQ, which has prompted calls for the stricter implementing and extension. So recent events also indicate that government is learning towards maintaining a strict lockdown instead of relaxing it. So ngayon Thursday nga, ibabalita ni President Duterte kung ito'y magkukontinue ang lockdown or hindi. So assuming there is no second wave of epidemic, it is likely the worst in behind us. Unfortunately, until the population is vaccinated, we have to grapple with this new normal for foreseeable future. Given the changes in consumer behavior and new economic realities, we are using this time to recalibrate the portfolio. So trading strategy ni PIL Equity. Hopes of a potential cure lent bullishness to the global market last week. However, many uncertainties remain, such as the timing of a cure or vaccine, as well as how long and deep the economic impact of COVID-19 will be, with markets recovering anywhere between one-third to one-half of their drops. This rally may take a pause as investors search for new catalysts. We are using this time to recalibrate the portfolio. So ito yung kanilang vantage po ni Pill Equity. So sa atin naman, sa mutual fund, tingnan natin ang mutual fund. Performing ng mutual fund. So makikita natin sa money market, performance ng year to date. So medyo nagiging green na rin ang ating performance ng money market and also for the bond fund. But for the balance fund and equity fund, so makikita natin na red pa rin ang performance. So negative pa rin, pabagsak pa rin ang performance ng balance fund, equity fund, and equity index fund. So yun naman ang topic natin sa ating mutual fund performance for April 23. Again, balik tayo sa topic natin about ECQ extension. So sabi naman ni Solon, supports modified ECQ extension. So si Iloilo 5th District Rep Raul Boboy Tupas through his support on Wednesday, April 22 to modified and fact-based extension and enhanced community quarantine. So for Manila Bulletin, so ito yung balita. So the chairman of the House Committee on National Defense and Security said continued lockdown should be imposed on areas with confirmed COVID-19 infections, while the ECQ in areas with low or zero confirmed COVID-19 cases should be gradually downgraded into basic community quarantine. So I am in favor of calibrated, modified, and fact-based on extension of the enhanced community quarantine ECQ. Those localities with existing confirmed COVID-19 patients, whether admitted in hospital or under home quarantine, should still be in ECQ. So the House leader said. So maganda rin yung ni Raul Boboy Tupas na para sa mga merong positive cases ng COVID-19 na continue pa rin ang ECQ at for the wala naman masyadong ng COVID-19, so mas ang lockdown. So for CNN naman, so Angara bats for a quarantine extension, says too late to lift on April 30. So Metro Manila, CNN Philippines, April 23. Sabi ni Senator Sonny Angara said Thursday he favors a further extension of the enhanced community quarantine in Luzon as he believes that it is now too late to lift the lockdown a week before it expires. In a virtual press conference, Angara said that quarantine policy changes should be made at least two weeks before they are implemented. I would support extension to May 10 or May 15 because I feel it's too late really to announce that there will be a lifting because I don't think there's enough time to prepare on the ground, Angara said. So the senator said based on what happened in the last 5 weeks, there's to be some gestation time for policies to be processed. While the national government may be ready to implement the changes, Angara argued it makes more time to enforce policies at the local level. So, yun naman for CNN News. So, our next topic naman is about Fruitas enters milk yogurt retailing. So, since ano ang Fruitas sa ating ah, Philippine Stock Exchange. So, marami na ring mga invest gumaganda na rin ang performance ng Fruitas and meron na rin siya mga ibang pinapasukang investment si Fruitas like yogurt retailing and milk and yogurt retailing. So leading food and beverage kiosk operators, Fruitas Holdings Inc. has teamed up with country's biggest dairy farms operator, Bukidnon Milk Company, on fresh milk and yogurt retailing. So Fruitas has initially carried Bukidnon's fresh milk and yogurt on its Coco delivery platform. Under the partnership, Fruitas will also become the exclusive carrier of Bukidnon milk products via its cart, kiosks, and stalls. So Bukidnon Milk is also Mindanao's only pasture-fed dairy farm. Fruitas previously disclosed its plan to launch a fresh store concept under the Babot's Farm brand. This will prominently feature Bukidnon's milk product along Fruitas' leading Buko beverage line and soybeans soy-based product. So yun. So meron na namang additional ang ano kung isa ka rin sa mga ano ng Fruitas. So hindi na lang Fruitas ang kanilang ino-offer so pati na rin milk ng Bukidnon Milk Company. So again, so ito lang muna ang ating topic for today for our market update and mutual fund update for April 23, 2003. Again, kung di pa kayo kung bago kayo pa lang kayo sa aking channel, please don't forget to subscribe and click the bell button para sa mga latest update ng ating channel. So, thank you and have a great day, everyone.